Hello, you're welcome. So, my name is Shidrak and I'm a full stack web developer. On this very video, I'm going to be showing you a platform that enables you to do all your daily recharges. And also, you can use this platform to start business in Nigeria, which is called BillSub. Now, BillSub is a Nigerian-based V2 platform that enables you to do all your daily recharges. One thing about BillSub is that everything that you ever think of how to so like regard to your recharges are all in the platform. That include airtime, data, cable, electricity, bulk SMS, and even more. So we are going to be looking at how to actually use this platform. To get started, you need to go to bsub.com.ng. So once you're here on bsub.com.ng, what are the things that you should get right in terms of like what does this platform do specifically? You can see that here on bsub you can buy cheap mobile data, airtime, pay for electricity, pay for TV subscriptions. You can also do educational e-pin here. You can print data card and also print charge card. Okay, it's a kind of a global it's kind of it's a multi-purpose VT platform. That's what I want to say here. Okay, so what it means is that instead of you going to a particular platform A to go and source for data, then go for platform B to source for maybe airtime, you can do all of them in one platform, which is called BSub. Okay, now apart from that, you can do other services on the go here, but then I'm going to be also be looking at other aspect of the platform that is very interesting, which is has to do with the its simplicity. Okay, if you look here, you can see that BSub provide all these services, that's these telecom services and this even this course and electricity and other providers to is the way you do your recharges. Okay. Now, the focal point of BSub is its simplicity. Okay. It's very simple to use. Any person can use it. And its accessibility. What I mean by accessibility here is that you can access this platform any time of the day, be it in the night, be it in the morning, any time of the day, you can access it. Okay. And convenience. Convenience means that once you are here on BSub, you can actually do everything without even contacting any person. Okay, you can see that all the data services are very affordable for either end users or maybe you want to use the platform for vending. Okay, like we want to resell the products to your customer. It is 100% affordable here. Then if you come down here, you see that if you want to actually make your recharges, those are recharges like maybe data recharge, cable, TV subscriptions, utility bills like electricity, so for all these costs in Nigeria, you can actually use BSoft to achieve that. Okay, you can see also you cannot do airtime recharge, you can do printing of cards that include recharge card and data card here. Okay. Exam e-pin is also here available on the platform. So we're going to be looking at that in the practical section on this video training. So what other things that we can look at and check out on BSub is this. You can be able to do all these services on automation. What that means that registration here is 100% on automation. Just have to sign up and then system going to give you an email verification code, which you're going to see right away. And not only that, once you have signed up, you can easily fund your wallet here on automation and buy product on automation. So we're going to be looking at that in a brief. Now, another thing is that you can also see that support system is on BSub is there. You can actually reach out to any of the admin any time of the day through the WhatsApp system. So it is 100% reliable platform, guys. So we're going to be looking at how to get started. To get started, you have to just, first of all, you need to first of all sign up on their WhatsApp group, which is 100% free. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. Once you join the WhatsApp group, it will help you to get update as regard to what is happening on the platform. So make sure you go join the WhatsApp group right away. But then to get started to own account here, you just have to click on login. Okay, so once you click on login, it will take you to the place where you have to fill a form. Okay, then here you have to fill a form to get started as if you have already accounts there. But then if you don't have an account, you have to go down. If you go down here, you see where they say sign up. Okay, so we don't have an account on the platform yet, so we're going to do a sign up process right away. So what I have to do is to put in your first name. So here I'm going to just put my first name. Before you do this, make sure that you have your email, active email address. Okay, so because the system is going to send you a code, a verification code. This code is unique to you only. Without this code, you cannot be able to have an account on the platform. So make sure you put the code where you are being instructed to put it. So I just put my phone number, and then you put a very strong password. Make it uppercase and lowercase is for security purposes. So make sure that you have a good. Then the place where you see referral, please make sure you use the referral link, which is this particular email, or when you are registering. Okay. So once you are done, you click on this I'm not a robot. The reason is because to verify you so that you shouldn't be registering randomly on the system. So just click on this I'm not a robot. Then answer this little traffic light. You can see, you can look for traffic light. You can see it here. Then click on verify. So once everything is here, you just click on create account. Can you see it now? Can you see create account? So it's very simple. Just click on this create account. So you can see that the system has said that, you can see that the system says successful. Can you see it? Email sent to this particular email. So I just told you, for you to be able to, you need to put that code that the system sent for you on this place. So I'm going to go to my email to get that code so that I can actually put it there. So you can see that there in this place, you can see the code that was sent to me. So I'm just going to copy this code, and then I'm going to go back to the place and then put this code here. Okay, so I'm just going to click on verify, and you can see that my account has been registered successfully. Can you see it? Proceed to login. So I'm just going to click on login. It's as simple as anything. Just click on login. Then I'm going to provide either my phone number or my email. So let me just use a phone number in this case. Okay, I think I have to use my email. Let me use my email. Make use of your email while signing up. So you just have to click on login. Once you have provided those two credentials, email and phone and your password. So you can see it's I've logged in. You can see this is the first notification that comes. This is their welcome. You always pay attention. Whatever that is in news, the system admin is going to communicate that to everybody. So here, what are the things you need to get right here? You can see that for you to get started to buy any of the product here, you need to actually load money in your wallet. But let me just walk you around how the system works. It's very simple. Here is to click on buy airtime. You can buy data, you can pay for bulk SMS, anything at all. It's as simple as anything, right? So for instance, you want to buy data, you just click on buy data. It will take you to another column where you can see SME, you can see direct, and you can see corporate. Okay, so each of these are data services available here. But then to get started, I need to load money in my account as like to fund my wallet. So I have to just click on this add fund, right? Just click on this add fund. So once you click on this add fund, you see a place where you see something like this, right? You see that everything seems to be blank here, right? So what you have to do now is to click back. That's why it is very good to watch training videos like this. Click back to your dashboard. Do you understand now? Just click back on your dashboard, then go back again. Go back again to add fund. Most people always skip videos like this because they think they know it all. And once you skip that video, you may not be able to get the vital aspect. So you can see here now, you can see my account number here. This is Starling Bank. You can see my account number here on Starling Bank. Can you see it? Yours may be different from this. Okay. So you can see Wima Bank. You can see it. So each of these accounts is dedicated to you. Just if you want to see any of the account, click on each of the bank to see that particular exact account for that particular bank. So remember, if you go to our dashboard, I'm just going to show you something so that you get everything in. You can see that everything is zero here. I don't have any amounts here. Okay, so and if you also go to transaction, let me show you another thing here. If you go to transaction, you will see that there is no transaction here. And this time is instructing me to fund my account. So that's just what I want to do. So I'm just going to click on Starling Bank, for instance, and then I'm going to go to my to my mobile bank. Okay, so I'm just going to put that account. I'm selecting Starling Bank. This is the account I have to fund right now. So I'm just trying to put in the account. So, and then I'm going to click on next. So you're going to see your name on written your name is going to be the what you're going to be seeing there. So make sure it's correct. As much as the system has validated that account, go on and make your payment. So I'm sending in 500 naira. So I just sent the money. I've just sent it right now. So what I'm gonna do is to go to dashboard, and you can see that the money has just been credited automatically. So can you see it? Let me go back to transaction history right now. So you can see the accounts. You can see it. So that's it. Now the next thing we have to do right now is to start buying product, right? That's the main thing why we are doing this training. Because one thing about most V2 platform is that you may think that okay, most of them will tell you that this thing is working and all that. When you want to buy products, you may not be able to do that. Let me start with the most least products, which is airtime. So I'm gonna go buy MTN. You can buy other network. Okay, so you can buy other network on this place, but I just want to buy MTN. Just put the number, then put the amount. Here I'm going to put 100 naira, then click on proceed. Now the default pin, when you register, the default pin is 1234. Okay, you remember this is a new account, so the default pin is 1234. So you can also change your pin. I'm going to show you right now once I finish making purchases of products. But you can change your pin later. You may think, okay, I want to get a secure pin, just a 4-digit pin. You can do it from your profile. So you can see that the airtime is successful. You can see it. I've been just bought airtime of 100 naira on the system. So let's go for data, and then we are going to just see other services. What I'm saying in essence in this training, you can see that as we are making purchases, your balance is going down in terms of recharge. Once you have finished exhausting your balance, you add more balance to your phone, and then you keep on selling the product or buying the product as that case may be. So let's click on SME. I'm going to show you something on SME because in this video, you can actually use it to start as a vendor. If you click on MTN, you can see all the data plans here. You can see it, right? So you can see it. Let's click on 1 gig. You can see that 1 gig here is 273 naira. The reason is because we are not upgraded to a paid member. I'm going to show you how to do the upgrade. But then here, if you want to do the business as like, okay, you want to resell the product, you can sell this product for as what's it called, as high as 350 naira per gig. And if you are buying at 273, it means you are making 77 naira per each transaction. You are timesing it by 50 in a day, that is 3,850. Times it by 30 days, that is 115,000. You're making just on data sales. How do you do it? It's very simple. I'm going to show you, but let's buy the product first. I'm just like trying to buy both SME products, both data, both MTN, as like airtime feature, I mean to say. And also, I'm going to do that of bulk SMS. I may not be able to do other B payment system, but what I'm saying in essence, is that you can see the transaction is successful. Any of those services is 100% working. Okay, so you shouldn't come and say, this one is not working. Everything is working here. Now, to get started, as regard to what I said, in terms of like using this platform, you can do this business without even using your own money. So you can see the balance I have right now is 123 naira, right? Before I show you that principle on how to get started doing this business without actually using your capital, let me also buy bulk SMS. I'm going to click on bulk SMS, then select the sender ID. Okay, so the sender ID, you need to actually request for sender ID here before it can get approved. Okay, in this case, make sure that you just put this as a sender ID to request for admin to approve you. This is the only sender ID available on the system right now. Okay, so make sure you put this. You can see it. pause this video to know it, then click on request approval. Without you requesting for approval, you cannot be able to vend the product as like bulk SMS. But then let me show you something that you can do to multiply your earnings here. If you want to pay for other utility bills like electricity, just click on that, click on electricity, and then provide the number. Okay, let me just probably get a electricity IC number and then get back to you on this video. I'm getting it. I just selected Echo here, then select prepaid, then put the meter number, then put the amount. The minimum is 500, guys. Minimum is 500. Then click on verify. But then I don't have up to that amount on my wallet. I'm just like showing you what you need to do. Make sure you verify the meter number. Because if you don't, it will go and recharge a different meter, which of course that's not what you want, right? Okay, so I think that particular okay, let me just see if I can get another meter number. Or better still, let me put 1,000 naira here. Let me put 1,000 naira here. Let me put 1,000 naira here. Okay, I think I have to select a different disco. Give me just a minute. Okay, so I think I've selected, let me select EEDC for this demonstration purpose. Then I think I have put 1,000 there. So you have to give the system a while to validate that particular meter number. And once that is done, you can see it right away. So you can see the meter number and you can see the amount you want to charge. All you have to do is to click on proceed. If you have that amount in your wallet, it will automatically recharge and give you the instant token. Okay, so that's just how to do that on in terms of electricity. So we're going to still do for that of a cable. Okay, so for me to do that, I'm going to click on dashboard again. You must get the IC number. So let me get IC number for a cable just for demonstration purpose. IC number. Once you get your cable IC number ready, the next thing you have to do is to click on this cable TV. Just click on that cable TV. Once you click on it, you have to select either Go TV, DSTV, start time. But here I'm going to select Go TV here. Then select the bouquet, then put the IC number and then click on verify. You can also see contact details of all the respective network, either start time, Go TV, DSTV. Their contact details is there. In case you want to contact their customer support, is there. So you can see this particular this thing is querying the decoder. That's the main thing that you have to get right. Make sure that the name appears here before you proceed, so you don't go and recharge a different decoder. So let me also do that of start time. So let me also do that of start time. So once you're here, the next thing you have to do is to select start time, select the bouquet, and then put the IC number and then click on verify. If you have up to that amount, the system will automatically, you can see it, make sure that the system verify the IC number, right? That's the main thing why we are doing all this. So you should be able to be aware of it. So that's just it, how to do recharge, how to use the platform, which is billsub.com.ng. So go on then. Another thing is very important is if you want to print card, you want to print recharge card or data card, you need to communicate to the admin to authorize you for that because these two services, which is data card and recharge card printing. You need to be authorized on the system. So make sure you do that. Then for those of you that needed a V2 website, I'm just making a review of all the system functionalities. You can click here to get a website that looks like this, either the application or the website itself. Okay. So what else are we missing here? The next thing is upgrade. Now, those of you that are good for marketing, you can copy a referral link, invite someone who come to this platform just to make use of it, and maybe peradventure the person want to upgrade to get a better discount. The person click on this and upgrade to any of these packages. You will be rewarded automatically by the system with 20% upgrade fee. Okay. So that's just how the system works. You can also see your total expenses, as in how much you have spent so far on the system. Everything is ready here. Now let's go to pricing. Why do you want to upgrade? So that you can get it right. So you can see that here, if you upgrade to VIP now, for instance, this is the discount on airtime. If you upgrade to a vendor, this is discount. If you upgrade to API user, this is the discount. Okay, so these are the discounts across each of the levels as regard to airtime. So if you also come to SME data, you can see that this is the smart enterprise. This is the VIP earner. So imagine getting a good discount rate. For you to do that, you need to upgrade. And that's just why you must upgrade on the system. So, but everybody that is registered are welcome with a free package, which everybody can make use of. So if you want to upgrade, go ahead, make sure you fund the account with the amount that is stipulated there, and then proceed to upgrade. And then once you upgrade, you get a better discount in regard to buying of the commodity, especially data subscription. So what are you waiting for? Get started right away, upgrade the account, and then proceed to get used to. Then you can also make a manual payment. But then this particular option is not actually recommended in terms of wallet funding, since you have your own dedicated account. But if you don't want a literal charges that the bank, the auto fund usually charge, you can then go on to make a bank deposit to this account and then send the approved to this wallet WhatsApp number for crediting. So, but this one is for people that are depositing a high amount of money. So don't make use of this option for except maybe there's issue in terms of method, but then there's no issue here in terms of funding of account. So go ahead, make use of your own assigned accounts, do transaction in real time, and then get started with this platform, which is bsub.com.ng. It's a very reliable platform, guys, and we can vouch for it. And we are on the coming days on this training channel. We are going to be looking at other vital areas, how you can actually utilize the platform to make ends meet in terms of being a vendor, also a portal owners, also referring users to make use of the platform. So get started right away. Get back to the person that showed you this video, or use the link in the show of this video to get started right now. I'm your host, Shedrack. I'm going to see you in the very next video. Thanks and God bless.